guys? I know my hair looks crazy. Yesterday was wash day and I didn't comb it because I didn't know what hairstyle I wanted to do, but I remembered a 10-minute hairstyle that I used to do, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. It's really quick for those days where you have washed your hair but you gotta hurry up and get it done, or you need some inspiration for a refresh, so this will be the perfect hairstyle for you. All right, so let's just go ahead and hop into it. So you're gonna part your hair in half. I did the best that I could, considering I can't see the back. I kind of used a mirror to see. It's pretty much even, but if it's slightly off, who cares? So I'm actually not going to wet the top of my hair because I am going to be putting it into 2 ponytails, and I find that we're going to be using my handy dandy eco gel. I do find that it works better when your hair is not wet. So it is a little damp from my wash yesterday and I put it up in a little top knot, but it's not gonna affect, I feel like, how well this works. So after you part your hair in half, you're just going to take some gel and you're going to do a generous amount. The only product in my hair was some deep conditioner that I left in there, but that's okay. Like I said, my hair is dry, so that will definitely help. I am going to go ahead and put this away so that it doesn't get caught into this. Just to make sure everything turns out right, I am going to comb it out as much as I can, but I don't want to damage my hair or pull it too hard, so I'm just going to comb this out really quick. The better this top part is combed out, the better the hairstyle will look. So I'm going to add just a little bit more gel, and when I say this is a really quick hairstyle, it's going to be so quick. So all we're doing is we're putting that gel, we're going to brush our hair out so it's nice and smooth. And for me, I want to get the edges really combed out. So I'm going to do this, this, and this. And then do the same for the back area. Alright, all we're doing is grabbing the top of the corner of our roots here, and we're just going to roll it, and that's why we wanted it to be as smooth as possible. So I'm just rolling it as tight and keeping it as smooth as I can. Okay, when you have it really, really tight, hold on to it. And then you're going to just get a hair bow and you're going to put the hair bow as close to your root as you can. You're going to double this hair bow as many times as you can. The tighter the better. That way when you pull it, the roll stays in place. Okay, now I'm going to take my hair, split it in half, and just get that hair bow as tight as I can to the top. So that's what the roll is going to look like. So you see how neat and well put together that looks? Now we're just going to take a lot of water. We're going to be super generous. We're going to wet this and then we're going to define our curls. It's like giving your curls a bath or a shower. I rub it in my hair just a little bit. Then we're going to go back in with our brush. And as you can see, my hair transforms from puffy to curly. And if you need to add more water, absolutely never hesitate. When you get closer to the root, do make sure that you hold on to that hair bow, because when you comb your hair, it can kind of pull this out of the hair bow, and that will make this not look good anymore. So hold the root and allow the tension to be in your hand and not on your scalp so you don't mess up the hard work that you did. I'm going to add more water. All right, then you're going to add your products. My first product is going to be this Bounce Curl Avocado Clump Oil. So I'm just going to take a dollop, put it on my palm. I'm going to use Bounce Curl's Light Cream. Put that on my palm. I would say about a dime size, between a dime and a quarter, and then I'm going to be using Bounce Curl's leave-in conditioner. I do already have some of Bounce Curl's deep conditioner. Yes, I am biased. I do love some Bounce Curl. Sponsor me! So I'm going to take my hand, just rub the product, mix it all together, and we're going to rub it through this pony. And yes, you guessed it, we're going to go in with our Bounce Curl brush. I'm just going to take a few pieces, gonna get it close to the hair bow as possible, but make sure you are holding that hair bow to get that tension. And I I try my best to spread it out a little bit so that it gets a certain amount of curls for definition. And you're just gonna take the brush, run it right through. Grab your next piece, try to spread it out if you can. Don't forget to hold your root to help absorb that tension. Get those curls in there and keep going. I only do about 4. It's really fast. Okay, so this is what your ponytail looks like. If there are any curls that you feel are frizzy and you want to further define them, just get some gel and finger coil it. So that's it. We're going to move on to the next side. All right, we're going to put a hefty amount of our Eco Gel on the scalp area. Make sure you're brushing. All right, once you have brushed both sides, you're just going to take it at the corner triangle here and just start rolling. You're just turning it in the direction opposite of your scalp and you're pulling hard. And you want as much tension in there so that it stays put. And I like to roll just a little bit more down, like about halfway through, so when you're putting that hair bow in, that tension stays. So you get your handy dandy hair bow, and you're gonna twist as many times as you can to keep that tension. And take your hair and pull, pull, pull. 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 All right. Now we're just going to shower our hair, put some product in, and we will be done, guys. All right, just go ahead once you put your product in there, spread it out as much as you can, hold that hair bow to absorb the tension, comb right through, and flick them babies in the back. Like I said, I only do about 4 sections. And just like that, voila magic. This should definitely not take you guys more than 10 minutes. It's a great on-the-go hairstyle. I like it too because it can last a few days. It's easy to refresh. You're just gonna take your hair bow out and then re-roll this, brush it, whatever you need to do. Put it right back in, add some more gel if you need to. And then your curls should last if you are wrapping your hair at night or putting it in some type of silk or satin cap. If you do that, the curls should last, and then this you can refresh if you need to. But this is a perfect on-the-go hairstyle. Go ahead and comment down below if you are going to try this hairstyle. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.